In preparation for winter, the grounds maintenance manager at Swanbridge Court, Mark Fox, was keen to try the Guarany Granule Applicator for spreading rock salt. Mark commented that being able to quickly de-ice the footpaths and car park for the residents of Swanbridge Court was an important safety precaution during the cold winter months. The granule applicator was comfortable and easy to use, which means he can quickly cover the car park and pathways, and was particularly useful when de-icing concrete steps where a wheeled applicator could not be used. Having lawns, trees, shrubs and footpaths to look after, Mark said that one applicator can be used for spreading weed and feed on the lawns, fertiliser for the trees and shrubs, as well as rock salt, making it a very useful tool for any grounds maintenance manager.